We're back again with the super simple stir fryers. And I'm sorry if these are too simple for you, but Asian cooking is not just about the difficult dishes, you know, the ones that take hours and hours, or special occasion dishes, that kind of thing. The heart and soul of Asian cooking are dishes like this, a garlic chive omelette. I feel a bit silly for even running you through the ingredients because they're kind of already in the name. Garlic chives and eggs make an omelette. Seasoning with a little bit of salt, some soy sauce, and most commonly, I have to say, most Asian families, if they're making this, would use MSG. But I find if I talk about MSG, people clutch their pearls and get all scared. There's nothing wrong with MSG, but instead of using MSG, we're gonna use a touch of fish sauce instead. A totally suitable substitution. If you find it hard to find MSG, if you're scared of using MSG, whatever your personal reasons are, it's fine. If you don't want to use a teaspoon of fish sauce, use a pinch of MSG instead. We'll just crack some eggs. Into the eggs, a teaspoon of fish sauce and half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Now to cut my garlic chives. And that's about all we need. Now, some people like to mix the garlic chives together with the egg. I prefer to keep it separate because I fry the garlic chives first, which releases their aroma a little bit better than if they're mixed together with the egg. Personal preference, if you want to make things easier on yourself, just throw it in with the egg. Anyway, let's go over to the wok. It's a very simple process. Get the wok nice and hot, a good amount of oil in. I think when you're frying with eggs, you actually want to use a fair amount of oil so that the eggs can take up the oil, give it a nice mouthfeel. In with the garlic chives just for a second, that'll release the aroma. A pinch of salt, not too much, because we've got fish sauce in the eggs there. And then in with our eggs. Now, in the Japanese style, this is done so that the eggs still remain a little bit soft. But I think in the Chinese style, it's better to actually get some color on the eggs. So a little bit of browning is absolutely perfect. That's really all there is to it. Garlic chive omelette.